We started as classmates sa graduate school sa Lasal. And then, groupmates kami. Nag-start talaga siya sa paggawa ng mga homework.
Nung naging groupmates kami, para siyang high school vibe. Alam mo yun na parang, uy, ano sagot mo sa ano? Ano sagot mo sa ganitong number, ganyan-ganyan? Tapos sabi ko, pakano naman na style nito. I mean, di ba?
Never been much of anyone. Wanna not too much more than what I had up to now. But I know when the day's done, I'll be there when the walls all come tumbling down. Now back in the day.
Actually, it took us parang 6-7 months before maging official na, okay, exclusively dating na kami.
It was last year, January 2023. I really prayed for God. Sabi ko, Lord, alam ko meron akong kailangan gawin noong 2023. So, pinag-pray ko talaga yan. Sabi nga doon sa hashtag namin, it's God's Joyce for Kevin. Because it's really a reflection kung sino talaga si Joyce.
I wanna know what you're running from. I wanna be where you come undone. Come rest in my life. Come rest in my life. Come rest in my life.
Hi babe, I can't wait to see you today. I love you. Hope you'll like my little gift. This is it. This is the day. Joyce Villapandoy Cheng.
Wanna be your escape, but you're
Thank you. Tinukat. Thank you.
arms. Ooh, I wanna know what you're running.
Happily ever after.
Nagsimula tayo sa homework sa financial management class. Who knew na tayo na pala ang tinadhana sa isa't isa. And now, we will start building our own home. Dati hiningi ko lang sagot sa exams, pero ikaw na pala ang sagot sa dasal ko. Mas mahilig ako magsulat sa kanya. Kasi si Joyce yung type ng person na gusto niya yung nakaka-receive ng love letters. Gusto niya nakikita yung effort ng isang tao para sa kanya. So, thank you Lord for this kasi binigay niya sa akin si Joyce. Come to Papa!
Dear future wifey, I give you this commitment ring as a sign of our love for each other. I love you always and forever, baby. Love, Kevin. The pogi.
The past 6 years helped grow our love for each other and find its place where it belongs. This is exactly where it belongs, right in this moment, in the presence of God, our loving and supportive family and friends. I take you to be my wife. Kung nandito si Daddy, siguro masayang-masaya siya. Kung makikita niya lahat to, tingin ko ito rin yung isa sa mga pinangarap niya para sa akin. At nagpapasalamat ako sa mami ko kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi namin magagawa lahat to. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
Thank you for being my son. For me, it's real. As in, wala siyang halong arte. Like, kung ano ako as a person, ayun lahat ng weaknesses, lahat ng strengths ko, nakikita niya talaga. So, for me, like, everything's real with Kev.
I am ready to be your husband. I love you, my wife. And I know this love is from God because you are the God's choice for Kevin.
Oh. Love you.